Okay, so where do I begin? I love my blender. Like, I haven't used the food processor yet, so I'm gonna probably do like another video or another review on that part. But as far as these go, I bought it because of the to-go cups. I was like, I'm gonna change my life. I'm gonna start doing smoothies. Literally so easy to use. It has the smoothie button right there, and that's what I bought it for, because I was like, I need to eat healthier. It's so much easier to drink your fruits and vegetables, honestly. And this works like a dream. It works like a dream. And okay, so my baby's crying, so I'm gonna make this really, really quick. I love this blender. I don't know how I lived so long without it. I've had my eye on it forever, and it's it was a great price. And yeah, it just changed my life. I post about it all the time, and now I have other people saying that they need one, and it's just a great product. In all honesty, like, it's easy to clean. I rinse it out. These are super easy. When I rinse it out, it literally looks like I washed it without even adding soap. So then when I add soap, obviously it's glistening, and I use this all the time. So yeah, love the product. Gotta give my baby. Great job.